Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty, and today I have a brand new accessory unboxing coming in from the good people over at Watch Gang. They hit me up and asked me if they could sponsor a video. And I've actually heard of them, and I'm a big watch guy. I always have a watch on. So I was very interested to learn about their product and test it out. So I'm gonna get right into it. It is a monthly subscription service. You sign up, you get a watch every month. There's 3 different tiers. There's the original, which is $29 a month. There's Black, which is $99 a month. That's the one I signed up for. And then there's Platinum, which is $299 a month. What's cool is the watches are guaranteed to be worth 5 times the amount of whatever subscription you sign up for. So I have the $99 one. So right here I got a Hawaiian Lifeguard Association official watch. And what's cool is this watch is valued at $250. So this is a $250 watch. What's really cool about this watch is it's a super heavy duty durable watch. It's actually made to withstand like the ocean and waves and things like that. So it's cool when you go onto the website, you select some of your favorite styles and then they will select what they think would suit you best. So if you select the original tier, you're gonna get a stylish and fashionable watch. If you select the Black tier, you're gonna get affordable luxury, which is this. And then if you select Platinum, you're gonna get super luxury, which you could get like, a very expensive watch for the price of $299 a month. I also just want to talk about the Watch Gang's Facebook exchange group. It's a cool page. They have over 23,000 members. And what's cool is you can trade and exchange watches with other Watch Gang members. So you can expand your collection. Say you get a watch that you don't love anymore and you see one that you really like. You can just exchange that right there on the site with other Watch Gang members. The community is one of the most important features of the brand. If you want to learn more about it, I will post a link in the description. Check the description and check out that Facebook page once you start getting some watches in. Another good thing, if you do sign up, you get the chance to win a Rolex or a tag every week. So people have gotten surprised with a Rolex. There's videos out there of people opening up their watch for the month and it's a Rolex. So you always have that chance by signing up. And that's regardless of whatever tier you sign up for. So this is month to month. There's no contracts. You can cancel anytime. So this watch is really cool. This fits my style. I like the big face. It's white. Try it on right now. Rubber band. I love rubber bands mixed with, metal actual faces. Just gives a good sporty look. What's cool about the Hawaiian Lifeguard Association, any watch purchased, proceeds go towards supporting the Hawaiian Lifeguard Association. I've never been to Hawaii, I've always wanted to go, and now if I ever go, I'll definitely be wearing this watch and battling some of those waves. Yeah, here's the watch. Fits great. I love the way it looks. It's got the little dial, the hands, they glow in the dark, and then it's got a cool little, it almost looks like a turtle human logo. That's kind of the logo. Any watch you get is going to have either a Swiss or Japanese movement, so it's definitely high quality. Factory warranty on every watch. So Watch Gang has been featured in Forbes, the Huffington Post, Yahoo, and NBC. They're the #1 Esquire men's subscription box company. If you're into that subscription box where you sign up, you get something each month, and you're a big watch guy, I really think this would be for you. I do have a discount code, 10% off. I'll post a link in the description and that discount code. Click that link in the description right now. Sign up if you're interested. To me, it's definitely worth at least trying for a month. You can see what watch you get. For only 99 bucks a month, which is what I signed up for, I got a $250 watch. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I want to thank Watch Gang for sponsoring this video and let me try this out. I definitely think it's worth a try. If you're on the fence of, you go shopping for a watch, you never know really what to buy or what type of brands there are, let Watch Gang do the shopping for you. So if you guys try it out, let me know what you think. You can tweet me, follow me on Instagram, or leave a comment below. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.